Think your diesel mechanic is always looking out for you? The truth is, not always. There are a few diesel engine tips most people never hear about, and knowing them can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars while keeping your diesel truck running strong for years. Diesels are tough, but they're sensitive in their own ways. Skip the right steps, and even a small mistake can turn into a big repair bill. In this video, I'm sharing 13 diesel-specific secrets that will completely change how you care for your truck. One of these tips even made me rethink almost everything I thought I knew about diesel maintenance. Stick around, because after this, you'll handle your diesel like a pro and avoid costly mistakes most owners make. Secret number 1. Reset service lights yourself. If your dash shows a maintenance required light, don't panic. Diesel trucks often use this as a reminder for routine checks, like oil or filter changes. Dealerships love this because it gets you back in their shop. But most of the time, it's just a simple alert. You can reset it yourself in minutes. Just look up the steps for your truck's make and model. This keeps your diesel in your hands, saves time, and protects your wallet. And don't fear the check engine light either. With a $30 to $40 OBD2 scanner, you can check what's wrong yourself. Every diesel made after 1996 has an OBD2 port. Plug in the scanner, read the codes, and figure out if it's minor or serious. You save money and take control of your truck's health. Secret number 2. Bleed your brakes properly. Diesel trucks are heavier than most vehicles, so brake care is critical. When replacing brake pads, always open the bleeder valve before compressing the caliper. Why? Forcing old brake fluid back into the system can damage sensitive components like ABS modules or electronic brake controllers. Opening the valve lets fluid escape safely, removes old contaminated fluid, and protects your system. Pro tip: keep the master cylinder topped up to avoid introducing air into the brakes. Proper bleeding keeps your brakes reliable and saves costly repairs later. Secret number 3. Use diesel additives wisely. Here's one place diesel engines are different. Additives actually matter. Cold weather. Diesel can gel when it gets cold. Anti-gel additives prevent clogged filters and fuel lines. Injector protection. Additives help keep injectors clean, which reduces rough idling, black smoke, or hard starts. High mileage engines. Certain additives lubricate fuel pumps and protect older components from wear. The key is using quality diesel additives from trusted brands. Skip generic magic fuel products. They often don't work and are just a waste of money. Secret number 4. Check coolant. If heater is weak, diesels generate more heat than gasoline engines, and the heater relies on proper coolant levels. If your cab isn't heating up, your coolant may be low. Top off the coolant and bleed the system if necessary. This simple step often fixes cold air issues. Diesel tip: always check coolant levels regularly, especially if your truck has a turbo. Low coolant can cause overheating, which is much more expensive to repair in a diesel engine than in a gas engine. Secret number 5. Batteries lose life before you use them. Diesels need more power to start because of high compression. Batteries start losing strength the moment they're filled with acid, even on the shelf. Here's how to avoid a weak start. Buy a battery less than a month old. Avoid big box stores with slow-moving inventory. Find a dealer who sells fresh stock pre-charged new batteries for 1 to 2 hours before installing. Keep terminals clean to ensure a strong connection. A healthy battery ensures reliable starts, even in cold weather, and protects your diesel's starter and electronics. Secret number 6. Squeeze more life from your glow plugs. Glow plugs are small, but they're critical for starting a diesel engine, especially in cold weather. Without them working properly, your engine can struggle, smoke, or fail to start. Check them regularly, especially in older trucks. Look for cracks, corrosion, or where replace glow plugs as a set. Don't just swap one. Uneven performance can make starting harder and shorten engine life. Tip: when replacing, use the type recommended in your truck's manual. High-quality plugs can last 80,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on usage. Keeping glow plugs in top shape ensures smoother starts, less strain on your starter, and better fuel efficiency. Secret number 7. Don't overfill the fuel tank. Diesel fuel expands in heat. Overfilling your tank can cause spills, damage the vapor recovery system, or create messy leaks. Stop pumping once the nozzle clicks. That's enough. Overfilling can also lead to excess pressure in fuel lines or damaged seals. Pro tip: if you're storing your truck for winter, leave a little space in the tank to allow for fuel expansion. A simple habit like this keeps your truck clean, safe, and avoids unnecessary fuel system repairs. Secret number 8. Replace your air filters regularly. Diesel engines breathe differently than gas engines. They need plenty of clean air to run efficiently. A clogged air filter can reduce power, fuel efficiency, and even cause black smoke. Check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, more often if you drive on dusty roads or construction sites. Diesel trucks with turbos are even more sensitive. Dirty air can damage the turbo over time. Replacing the filter is simple. Open the filter box, inspect, and swap if dirty, fresh air equals strong performance. Tip: always use a filter made for your truck model to avoid leaks or improper fit. Secret number 9. Inspect the PCV valve. The positive crankcase. Ventilation. PCV valve is small but vital. It vents harmful gases from the engine and prevents pressure buildup. Diesel engines, especially older or high-mileage ones, can suffer from clogged or faulty PCV valves. Signs of a bad PCV valve: rough idling or stalling, excessive oil consumption, sludge buildup in the engine. Checking it is easy. Remove the valve and shake it. It should rattle, blow air through it. Air should flow only one way. Replacement is cheap, usually $20 to $40, but ignoring it can lead to costly engine issues. For diesel engines, a clean PCV valve keeps oil clean, prevents leaks, and reduces smoke. Secret number 10. Change engine oil and transmission fluid on time. Diesel engines work harder than gas engines, so timely oil and transmission fluid changes are critical. Skipping them can cause wear, reduce efficiency, and even ruin the engine. Engine oil. Use high-quality synthetic diesel oil. Change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles depending on your driving style. If you do mostly highway miles, you can stretch it a bit, but stop-and-go city driving demands more frequent changes. Transmission fluid. Most diesel trucks recommend changing every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you haul heavy loads or drive in traffic often, change sooner. Extra diesel tip: on long-haul trucks or turbos, make sure the oil cooler is clean and oil filters are high quality. Dirty oil is a turbo killer. Keeping fluids fresh prevents engine damage, keeps the transmission shifting smoothly, and extends overall truck life. Secret number 11. Keep tires at the right pressure. Diesel trucks are heavy, so proper tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Check tire pressure monthly. Include the spare tire. Tires lose about 1 PS per month, so don't rely on warning lights. Underinflated tires. Poor fuel economy, faster wear, higher risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires, reduced grip, uneven wear. Pro tip for diesel owners: rotate tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. For long-haul trucks, pay extra attention to drive axle tires, which carry the most weight. Properly inflated tires also reduce stress on suspension and improve handling, especially when fully loaded. Secret number 12. Don't forget brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid is often overlooked, but it's vital for diesel trucks. Over time, it absorbs moisture, which can corrode components and reduce stopping power. Check fluid level regularly. Replace every 2 to 3 years or per your manufacturer's recommendations. For heavy-duty or long-haul diesels, consider more frequent changes due to high heat and repeated braking. Tip: use only the recommended DOT brake fluid type. Old or wrong fluid can damage ABS systems or reduce brake efficiency, which is dangerous with diesel's extra weight. Secret number 13. Inspect belts and hoses. Diesel engines have serpentine belts, accessory belts, and a network of hoses carrying coolant, fuel, and oil. A failure here can shut down your engine instantly. Monthly check routine. Belts. Look for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots. Replace if worn. Hoses. Feel for soft spots, bulges, or cracks. Look for leaks. Do this when the engine is cool to avoid burns. Extra diesel tip. Turbocharged engines often run hotter, putting more stress on hoses and belts. Catching wear early avoids catastrophic engine damage. Replacing a bad belt or hose early is cheap compared to a failed turbo, water pump, or fuel line repair, which can cost thousands. Following these 13 diesel-specific tips keeps your truck running longer, avoids costly breakdowns, and makes you a smarter diesel owner. From resetting service lights to checking glow plugs, maintaining fluids, and inspecting belts and hoses, every step matters. Diesel engines are powerful, but only when cared for properly. Use these tips, stay ahead of problems, and your truck will reward you with reliable starts, better performance, and longer life. If you found these diesel tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Like this video if you learned something new today, and drop a comment below with your favorite diesel maintenance tip or any questions you have about keeping your truck running strong.